Introducing Nap Delivery, a fleet of 8 showrooms on wheels, bringing our IKEA bedrooms to the people of Dubai. By turning the tiny spaces of our delivery trucks to small, fully furnished bedrooms. Delivering the ultimate product demonstration, a nap, to be enjoyed wherever and whenever people needed it the most. All people had to do to order was to use the hashtag upgrade to IKEA. And don't worry, we made sure to change the sheets after each nap. We started in Dubai, and soon we were delivering naps across the region. Word spread quickly in the news, and thousands of people showed their love for the truck online. During the campaign, over 78,000 people engaged with our trucks. We got over 330 million impressions, resulting in a 10% increase of bedroom sales. And at the end of the campaign, we had more naps booked than we could deliver. Proving that when it comes to furnishing small bedrooms, IKEA has the solution.